Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right asset and verifying compatibility. Choose an image or motion file that matches your display ratio and resolution so it won't stretch. Next, install the wallpaper tool you prefer, Wallpaper Engine for motion or Rainmeter for layered designs. While installing, make sure GPU drivers are current and close resource-heavy apps to test performance. Once installed, open the app and import one file. This is the first actionable step toward you now configure the background to blend with your workflow. Import the asset and set the fit mode so edges aren't cropped. Choose fill for full screen or fit to preserve composition. Then tweak playback settings, limit frame rate, enable loop, and reduce opacity if icons need contrast. If you use Rainmeter or widgets, layer a translucent skin and lock positions so nothing moves. Make sure to test while running typical apps to measure CPU and GPU impact. You finish by saving a profile and setting the wallpaper to launch at startup. This ensures your setup persists after reboots. Once done, check battery and performance modes. Switch to balanced if you see high usage. If playback stutters, reduce frame rate, lower resolution, or turn off hardware acceleration to stabilize visuals. And if the desktop icons hide, make sure the app's desktop integration is enabled or use a static image fallback. This single troubleshooting tip keeps your background both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.